What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Tier 1 Concealed channel. My name is Miles, and today we're going to talk about wedges. We get a lot of questions about our wedges, our wedge packs, etc. So we're just going to go over them real quick. We offer 3 different widths. We have 1 inch, we have 1.5 inch, and we have 2.25 inch. The 1 and 1.5 inch wedges you can either buy in packs or individually. The 2.25 inch you can only buy individually. So the purpose behind the wedges is twofold. It's comfort and concealment. From the comfort aspect, obviously, these wedges are made out of a soft but durable foam. They have enough give to flex with your body, alleviate any potential hot spots you might have from the holster, but they are durable enough that they should never break down. So for the concealability side of things, you would put this wedge on the back of your holster like that, and what it will do is push out on the bottom of the holster, which will push the handle of the gun into your waistline. That will help if you have a big mag well, a long grip, something like that. It'll help tuck that in a little bit further and use the belt as a fulcrum to conceal that as best as possible. One quick thing that we have seen some comments, we've seen some people say that this sticker on the front is really difficult to get off. That's by design. You're not supposed to take this sticker off. What this does is help the wedge be a little bit slick. If it's just a straight foam, it has a little more grip on your clothing than we'd like. It could pull your boxers down, your t-shirt down, whatever is on the back side of that. So we put the stickers on there by design to help it keep a little more slick surface so it doesn't catch your clothing. So that's kind of the basics on the wedges themselves. So now we're going to talk about the packs. We have 2 main packs you can buy. You can either buy a sizing pack or a single size pack. They'll both come with 4, the difference being a sizing pack will come with 1 of each size, so you can try them out and know what you want. And a single size pack, I have one here, will come with 4 of the exact same size. So if you know exactly what size wedge you want and you're trying to set up all your different holsters exactly the same, this is the pack you would probably go for because you can get 4 of the exact same size in one pack. And then, of course, you can just buy an individual wedge of any size you want. And like we mentioned earlier, the 2.25 inch only comes individually. We do not offer packs of those. Next, we're going to talk about application and removal of the wedges. On the back of each wedge, you have this cardstock sticker. It's a little thicker than normal paper. You're going to peel that off and reveal gelatin glue underneath. This is a very strong glue. It's made to keep it on your holster semi-permanently, permanently if you want it. And what you're going to do is you're going to clean your holster off first. An alcohol swab or something like that would do great. Get any oils or grease off of there. And then you're just going to apply the wedge to the back wherever you want. The most common placement is aligned with the slide and as far down so the edge is right on the edge of your holster. That is the most popular placement. Ultimately, it's up to you, just like everything else with our holsters. They're able to be customized to you to best fit what you need. All right, now we get to removal of the wedges. Maybe you want a different size. Maybe you've had the same one on there for several years and you're just wanting to replace it with a brand new one. For whatever reason, if you need to get this off, if you rip or cut as much of the foam off as you can, and then you use some alcohol or Goo Gone or anything like that, that should be able to take the glue right off your holster for you. And maybe one of the coolest things about the wedges, they are in stock and ready to ship. So if you place an order for just wedges, they'll ship out. If you place an order for a holster and add wedges to it, they'll ship with your holster. We don't do the installation, so if you do order a holster with wedges, it's not going to come already applied. You'll get to apply the wedge yourself. That way, if you have any hot spots, you know exactly where you need it to go, and you can put that on yourself in the exact right spot. So that pretty much wraps up this video on wedges. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let us know what other videos you want to see, and we'll see you on the next one.